Hi, today we're going to go ahead and do part 3 of our YouTube series on our public library. So I've already shown you what the library has to offer you when you go there in person. Today I'm going to show you what the library has to offer through their website. So the first thing you need to do is log in, and you're going to put your library card number and then a 4-digit PIN number. And this is really easy to set up. If you don't have a library card, it's very simple to go to the library and have your mom or dad take you, and they can sign up for a library card so you can have access to some of these resources. First thing I'm going to show you is the kids catalog really quickly. Let's say I was looking for a book about by Mo Willems. So I'm going to type Mo Willems just like I would in the catalog at school, and it pulls up all the books that they have by Mo Willems. So if it's one that I was interested in, I could click for them to place a hold on it for me. And they would pull it from the shelf, and then they would give me a call and let me know my book was in, and then I could go to the library and pick it up. So it kind of works just the way ours does at school. You can see they've got some books in audiobook format, e-video format, and that's using something called Overdrive, and that is very, very easy to use. Your mom or dad just need to download the Overdrive app to your mobile device or iPad, and it is a free app, and it allows you access to tons of ebooks and e-videos that are at the library for free. So today we're going to click on databases, and this pulls up all the databases that are available in our library, in our public library. And a lot of these are databases for adults. So what we're going to do is we're going to click for kids. And here we've got the ones that are available for us. So we're going to go to EBSCOhost and go to for kids. Now it wants me to enter in my complete library barcode. So I happen to have my library card in my hand so that I can enter this information. And it's pulling it up here. My computer remembers, and I'm going to click enter. And now I'm in EBSCOhost, a primary search. So let's say I'm doing research on plants. And here it is pulled up lots of different things about plants. So I'm going to pull this one up right here, taking care of plants. And this is an article related to gardening. So I'm going to do a PDF full text. And it's going to pull up the entire article for me. This is a Scholastic about taking care of plants. And I'm able to see the different things plants need and the back of the issue. So I can see that this was an appropriate resource for me, and it's something that I could use if I wanted to learn about plants. Now I'm going to go back to where I was with the databases. I want to take a look and show you Tumble books, because these are electronic books for us. So I'm going to enter in my library card number again. Okay, submit that, and here I am in Tumble books, and these are books that are going to read aloud to me. So let me just click one here, I Feel 5, and let's click and see what happens. Now it's giving me some choices here. I'm going to click the little eyeball that says read online, and I'm going to use Flash for this. It's downloading my book for me.
I Feel 5. On his 4th birthday, Fritz Newton ate birthday pancakes, got his very own cape, and picked apples for birthday pie.
And as you can see, this is a great resource for you. It's giving you a wide variety of books. It reads it aloud for you. It highlights the words. So this is a great resource and wonderful for you to use. So I'm back here at the kids catalog, and I've shown you a lot of different things that the Freeman Library offers for you. So be sure and check out the library website and kind of explore and see the different things they have available for you to use.